Alright, now on Samsung Galaxy phones, when you go to the settings and tap on notification settings, we've got notification pop-up style. When I tap on this, you see for brief, we get edge lighting style option here. Now this is a feature which will glow the edge of the screen whenever you get a notification, and we've got various different styles for this glow. Now for detail, we don't get this option, and for brief, we get this edge lighting style. We can further customize it using these options here. We've got effect, color, and advanced. Now these customization options are already available on the edge lighting style by default on the Galaxy phones. Now to further enhance this, Samsung also offers a good lock module called Edge Lighting Plus on Good Lock module. And for this module, we've got a brand new update which will enhance the user experience. Now this is the Edge Lighting Plus module. And you can see under what's new, we've got support for brightness display on off screen. From the One UI 6.1 device, a notification pop-up is displayed brightly on the off screen. I'm going to show you what exactly this is all about. Before we go ahead, you can see the version number here. This is 6.1.00.5, which is the latest version, and the update was received on 31st of January 2024. However, I have just got this update today. Now, let me just open the Edge Lighting Plus. Now you see on this module, we can further customize the Edge Lighting style. We've got options like style by keyword, show app icon instead of custom style image, and a few more toggles here. Now under advanced, we had double tap to open app and prevent swipe down option already, and this is a brand new option which we have got, show bright on when off screen. Here it says on the off screen the brightness is always bright when receiving notifications. What this means is whenever you get a notification when the screen is locked, the edge lighting will be brighter than the normal brightness that you see by default. On the left hand side you are seeing the edge lighting glow when this new setting is turned off, and on the right hand side you see the edge lighting is brighter when the screen is locked and when this feature is turned on the Edge Lighting Plus. So basically, if you turn on the switch, the edge lighting will be much brighter on the lock screen if that is something you're looking for. This is what is added on this particular update on Edge Lighting Plus. Now this is a useful module if you want to further customize your edge lighting feature on Samsung Galaxy phones. Now this module may not be available on the Galaxy phones. This may be available only on the Galaxy phones running on One UI 6.0 or One UI 6.1. Let me know whether you have this module on Good Lock or not. Drop a comment, and also let me know which device you are finding this module on. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what do you think about this update. Is it really needed? Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.